Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on account. And once you are in account, you simply need to click on language, and you can find different languages here. You can select any language according to your choice, so there are 15 to 20 languages here. You can select Persian, Arabic, Hebrew, Serbian according to your choice. Once you select that language, so let me change to English UK. So now you can see that that language is downloaded and my language will be changed. So this is a process by which you can change language on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.